कोच अभिषेक नायर सर, एक आखिरी सवाल है आपके लिए. आप ये कंक्लूजन जैसा साउंड कर रहा था, पर
हाँ.
कंक्लूजन है नहीं. फाइनल टॉपिक, इन क्रिकेट.
ओके.
ये एक फैक्टर होता है प्लेयर्स की लाइफ में?
अभी आप ये पॉजिटिव चीज में पूछ रहे हो, नेगेटिव आपने बहुत ओपन एंडेड सवाल पूछा है. इन क्रिकेट तो होएगा ही यार. कौन सा which human being will survive without sex? But is it good or bad? Is that your question?
I can.
और how? और no, I'm putting you on the spot. या your question is कितना होता है या कैसे होता है? that is the question.
I want to answer this, but I want to see what you'll say without me answering. तो आप ही बोलो.
अच्छा. It's normal है. It's normal for anyone to do it, and I feel like I say, हर इंसान का अलग पैंतरा है और अपने करियर में अलग समय पे. कभी कभी वो होता है कि वो सोचता है कि नहीं अब मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. आई नो यू आर अ बिग बिलीवर इन सर्टेन थिंग्स, बट कोई क्रिकेटर्स बिलीव दैट नो इफ आई डोंट हैव my willpower increases, my focus increases, I'm razor sharp. Some people do that and then frustrated होके बोलते साला घंटा नहीं हो रहा है, let me have and let me see how it goes, and then they perform. So there is this constant fight and conundrum in every cricketer's mind. ये सही है या गलत है?
Really?
It's always there. And some people like it, some people will have some before a game, some people won't. It's a very individual thing. So there is no thumb rule कि यार कोई सिखाता है कि करो या मत करो. तो जिसको करना है करो, जिसको करना है मत करो. But at different phases in the life, different things work. And that's how it is. So the approach also is, no one's desperate, but there's a certain urge. Sometimes इतना pressure होता है that you just want to chill. Then you chill.
आई फील कि ये नोफैप या ब्रह्मचार्य आप सिर्फ तब कर सकते हो अगर आपकी कोई योगा की प्रैक्टिस है, अगर मेडिटेशन की प्रैक्टिस है, या आपके लिए आसान लग रहा है,
या आपको कोई भाव नहीं दे रहा है.
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ नोफैप विदाउट फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
अच्छा.
आई फील कि कोई भी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो सकता है, पर कुछ मेडिटेशन के टेक्निक्स होते हैं, लाइक देयर आर ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स एंड ऑल टू रिमूव द अर्ज, पर वो हर किसी को पता नहीं. दैट्स द एंगल.
Correct. और no one has the time to do it. What I mean is, a lot of times क्या होता है, because of the pressures and because of how hard you work, it also requires energy to come back and sit and meditate. Because a lot of people when they meditate fall asleep. वो सो जाते हैं. They can't stay in the zone of meditation. So if you want them to even wake up, they won't. खराटे मारेंगे. Because they're so tired for all the physical work that they've done. So sometimes, like I said, I think it's very hard to do it. But I also know of certain players when I used to play who have done it for a month or 2 months. And I've had conversations with them and they've said that, भाई रन्ने बन रहे, अब ये सब बंद करने वालों, 1 महीने के लिए पूरा ध्यान देने वालों, क्रिकेट करने वाला, पूरा स्ट्रॉन्ग देने वालों, टेस्टोस्टेरोन बढ़ जाएगा मेरा, ये बढ़ जाएगा. And they do it and they've done it. और फिर बोलता है घंटा नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं हो रहा है भाई, करो. And when some people it works, then they will time it like boxers. No, boxers don't. Why? They're trying to build that frustration. They use that frustration. Our sport, a lot of time demands you to be calm. It doesn't need you to be frustrated.
कि बैटिंग करते वक्त ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत बहुत ज्यादा फील हो रहा है.
बैटिंग करते वक्त ऐसा ना हो कि साइड स्क्रीन के बगल में आपका नजर जा रहा है कि वहां कौन बैठा है और वहां कौन बैठा है. You're focused on only the ball. So our sport is slightly different, where you can have the luxury. Like I said, it's a skill-based sport, so you can have the luxury, but to each their own. I don't judge anyone for what they decide to do.
या फील्डिंग करते वक्त look at the ball, don't think of something else.
पीछे मत देखो, आगे देखो. आगे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं, जो भी होगा पीछे स्टैंड में होगा. तो look forward.
Bottom line about sex in cricket is subjective होता है.
Yeah. To each their own. Okay. That's the best way to put it. To each their own and everything works.
पर एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करनी चाहिए.
किस चीज में?
यही नोफैप की लाइक.
I'm sure that I can very confidently say I wouldn't know one cricketer who hasn't experimented. सब ने किया होगा. At some point in their life, every cricketer has experimented in different ways to perform. It's amazing कि हम क्या क्या कर लेते हैं in the hope that कल रन बन जाए या मैं विकेट निकाल लूँ. Everyone's done the craziest things. Whether they reveal it or not is a different thing, but I'm quite sure हर क्रिकेटर ने कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ, हमारे मुंबई लैंग्वेज में येड़ा चाली किया रहेगा कि कुछ ना कुछ अनाप शनाप उटपटांग हरकत की होगी उन्होंने. कि भाई इससे मेरे रन बन जाए, भाई रन बन जाए, बस हो गया. And they've gone and done the craziest things.
एक स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजिस्ट आए थे शो पर, श्यामल वल्लभ जी. उन्होंने कहा कि वन ऑफ द कोर मेंटरिंग दैट ही गिव्स द प्लेयर्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू ज्यादा कैजुअल मत करो. अब कुछ सोच विचार है इस टॉपिक को लेकर?
Again, subjective. I would never tell someone casual करो ना करो, because I feel एक आदमी का personality होता है. There are certain people who don't like to be committed. There are certain people who love commitment, who love intensity. You know, certain people don't look at it as intensity, they look at it as what dopamine kick, you know, in your brain. That's fine, right?
मतलब हर इंसान के लिए अलग होता है.
अलग होता है. Like everything is different for certain people. Certain people feel low and they say, I need a kick, so I need to have casual. So he'll have casual, which will make him feel good about himself, which will make him feel good about his ego, because he gets attention from someone that he finds very attractive, and then he feels, acha, even she finds me attractive. And that may make him feel like a king before the game the next day. But certain people look at it as intensity and say, yaar, mujhe isse pyar chahiye. And when I feel love, I will feel great tomorrow. Which is why I said people use this sometimes for performance. And that helps them with performance. You know, so I wouldn't tell someone don't do something. Because that means without understanding uska kick kya and what can help him perform, because eventually we are all trying to perform. We are not trying to be Buddhist monk, or we are not trying to go and, you know, go to an ashram. They are trying to say, bhai, kal 100 bana hai, main bat uthao and I can rejoice. So what is required then? Tap into it at different phases in their life. They'll want different things. Midlife crisis होता है, कभी कभी youngster होता है, wants to feel good, ego होता है, दोस्तों के सामने हीरोगिरी करना होता है कि यार देख वो मुझे देख रही है, मैंने उससे बात किया. Same thing with, you know, the counterpart. So who are we to judge? We're no one to judge. But all I say is do what works for you, but understand what works for you. Don't just do it for the sake of doing it. Understand it and do it because you know it can help you.